Today we're going to talk about running. We're going to talk about how to get out there, enjoy running so you don't get injured, and how to prepare for it, what to do, what not to do. Basically, some just good common sense on how to make your running game work. Hello there, I'm LisaAnn McCall, and I like to help people move in and out of their day so they get healthier, they heal, they don't hurt. Posture is basically my thing. Okay, so today let's talk about running. It's running weather. Let's get out there and run, right? Well, some people ask me sometimes, should I go to the gym? Should I do core exercises to learn how to run better or to prepare to run? No. The best thing you can do to start to run or to improve your run or to enhance your run or to learn to run is start with a foundation. Your foundation should always be your posture and balance. That's the foundation of all movement. So, what you want to think about when you think about your foundation of posture and balance is a few things. One, you're going to learn to relax. You're going to, two, learn to stack your bones and center yourself over your pelvis. Now this may seem like, what? I'm not doing anything. Oh, you're doing a lot. That's the cool thing. So what you do when you center your body and you begin to relax in your day-to-day life, let's say that's where we're going to start, and then we'll take it into running, is you are going to release tension. So when I've run my lot for most of my life, and I've treated a lot of runners, and what happens is when I see an injury or your form is not good, it's because some other muscle groups are working and there's an imbalance. Basically, that's the main thing. There's imbalance. It's not smooth, it's not effortless, it's got too much effort, too much tension, and that's what we want to do is start taking tension away. We're gonna undo so that you can do running. Isn't that cool? Very nice. So, so when you go into centering, you're basically going to be centering around the pelvis because that's your legs are connected, your spine is connected, and that's where movement starts from. Okay, so let's think about an example so this will not be so abstract. Today, or in this right now, at this time, basketball and hockey are on TV, and even if you do not know much about those sports, you do know, if you look into it at all, that these people have to start very young to work on technique. They have to create, they learn center and balance to become great athletes. And what makes them great is their ability to have a feel. So this is a big deal. You got to feel the hockey stick. You got to feel the basketball. You got to feel. You got to have balance, technique, skill. This is where the focus is on really gaining the ability to do any movement. Okay, so we're talking about running. So why is it that we in our society really have a lot of injuries in running? I mean, really, humans have been running as long as they've been on the earth. That's how they got their food, you know, running what came before cars. Shocking. But you know what? There are people in the world, you can know if you ever watch marathons, you see the Kenyans. They run beautifully. Not a lot of effort, have great form. They're born to run, right? Why? Well, they do run. They run in their life. They run and they have a lifestyle. Their ethnic lifestyle, their agrarian lifestyle supports them in that running, which means that their everyday life increases the quality of the technique of their everyday movement, which is the foundation to their running. It's all connected. That's what you really want to remember is human movement is so interconnected that everything that you are doing or not doing is affecting your movement, which is great because you can affect it all the time. Okay, so Kenyans run well Westerners drive well. We know how to drive, they know how to run. And because we drive a lot, we lose a lot of that feel. That centering, that how to be relaxed, how to feel those small things that make a great sense of feel and awareness in movement. So, I have quite a few videos that are free on my YouTube channel that you can just run through and begin this centering program. Just think of it, I'm going to learn to center, relax, get down in my body, get out of my head, feel, feel, feel. You know, like a basketball player does, like a hockey player does. Really get down in there so that you are creating these new neural pathways of how to move well so that when you go out to start running, you are already centered and ready to go. So it's not about going and lifting weights and doing core exercises. That creates more tension. No, 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 no. You can always add on later, which we'll talk about in other videos. What you want to do is you want to focus on technique, centering, relaxing, and learning the skill of running. So it really has to do with starting with your everyday movements. That's just the way everything starts, because you're taking this posture that you have now into your running posture, and they don't usually match very well, so injuries start coming up. All right, so you can go to my website and you can get a running video that I did, but it really will only make sense, or you'll only get the most out of it, is if you do some of the other videos, the foundational video, or maybe the sitting video, depending on kind of your lifestyle, what you do. But begin with the foundation, so build to the running. And then you'll have that feel, or you'll start to have that feel of what running is all about. That will make it sustainable. Nothing that I do is a quick fix. And most things in the fitness industry today is kind of a quick fix, quick learn, quick this, quick that. Not sustainable, and it creates injuries. So, and it's not a lot of fun. It's a lot more fun to really let your body's intelligence come out and do what it knows how to do. So, subscribe to this YouTube channel so I can see you again. And let's see, keep moving and be good to yourself. Yeah.